I can hold my liquor, but this man can't handle it. Bleed dark in the morning now. I'm Chicago, south of town. I'm on to Indiana. I heard it in the radio now.
I can't handle no liquor, but these bitches can't handle me. I can't control my niggas, and my niggas, they can't control me. You say you know me, my nigga, but you really just know the old me.
Bitch, I'm back out my coma, waking up on your sofa. When I park my Range Rover, slightly scratch your Corolla. Okay, I smash your Corolla. I'm hanging on a hangover. 5 years we been over. Ask me why I came over. One more hit and I can own ya. One more fucking I can own ya. One cold night in October. Pussy had me floating. Feel like Deepak Chopra. Pussy had me dead. Might call Tupac over. Yeezys all on your sofa. These the red Octobers. Still ain't learned me no manners. You love me when I ain't sober. You love me when I'm hungover. Even when I blow Doja. Then the auntie came over. Skinny bitch with no shoulders. Telling you that I'm bogus. Bitch, you don't even know us. Baby girl, he's a loner. Baby girl, he's a loner. Late night organ donor. After that, he disown ya. After that, it's just hopeless. Soulmates become soulless. When it's over. And bitch, I'm back out my
Calling
coma.
up your face. Shit's all over the place. I don't get his phone. Oh, on the phone.
I can't handle no liquor, but these bitches can't handle me. I can't control my niggas, and my niggas, they can't control me. You say you know me, my nigga, but you really just know the old me.
I heard you need a new fat. I heard you need a new stack. I heard you need a new phone. I know your rents ain't be home. Calling up your uncle's place. Shit's all over the place. I don't hear your phone. Oh, on my phone home.